I just like I created a whole new hairstyle from an old hairstyle. Okay, I'm loving these knobs. I should do this more often. Please with me on this. So hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to another video. My name is Betha and you're watching Betha Vau. So you already know what you're going to be doing on this video. So in today's video, I actually wanted to show you guys exactly how I do make these nuts. I don't know what they're even called. It was just an inspiration. I actually wanted to chop my box braids into a bob, and then this idea came into my mind. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do make this. And before we do that, I actually want to thank so much my 530 subscribers. Thank you for watching my content. Thank you for staying. Thank you for viewing the latest cooking videos that I have been posting. Actually, the cooking videos have been getting so much love. Thank you for that. And for my new subscribers, for new viewers who are watching my channel for the first time, in this channel we do talk about hair, travel, self-care, beauty, and all that good amazing content. Don't forget the vlogs. So the vlogs is actually new content that I am actually trying to come up with, just gather moments of my days. So I did actually have a technical issue, and my phone actually, I don't know what happened to it, but it died. And when I resurrected it, or when it was resurrected at the fundi, it actually lost all the data. So I actually did lose all my data. So that's why I'm just trying to come in with the vlogs and just capture moments of my life, because when I did lose the data, YouTube actually was a big backup for me. So let's get into this video. So this is how long my braids have been. Actually, I did a video on how I did these braids, and I did not intend to wear box braids. I had actually had place in mind for mini braids until the lady who did my mini braids ended up screwing me up. So that's another defect or effect of going to the salon to get your hair done, especially someone who is not a salonist, someone who doesn't understand your issues with your crown. So I ended up just adding this synthetic hair on top of those mini braids. So I did a video on how I did these mini braids, and actually at the end, I don't know if you can see, but this is my DIY, what is it called, DIY customized ombre box braids. So this was also another video that I did before. I actually did mix color 350, which was actually a gift from Best Lady, my favorite hair store, which was a gift from Best Lady, and a packet of 99J, which I had bought used, and a packet was remaining. So I did mix that up and used it at the end to make my box braids ombre. So I have actually been loving this hair. I think this is one of the box braids that I have actually styled the most. I never style my braids. I just like let them do their thing. Then when we are done, I take them out. But this actually, I have styled them. I have a video on how I did style them. So just be kind enough to go into my channel and check all that out. So let's get started on this. So what you're going to be needing, you're going to be needing a mirror. Mirror is going to help you see and measure where you want your braids to reach. If you want them so short, you're going to fold them at right there where you want your length to be. I was thinking of having them so short, then I just realized that I won't be able to put them in a ponytail, and I really need my hair tucked in a ponytail so that I can actually fit it well inside a hairnet, because that's a recommendation that I do need at work. So one thing you're going to be using a mirror and a pair of scissors. Another thing that you can actually use is a crochet needle, but I don't know, I just lost my crochet needle. I don't know where I placed it last night, because I was actually doing this hair last night. So I'm just going to be, I hope that all this just like end up being tied inside and doesn't come loose. And another thing that you're going to need, you can actually use a glue to just like make your ends smooth and tightened inside, or you can also go in something hot to just burn the ends, either a straightener or a lighter, but that's if you're not going to need your hair back long again. So I prefer styling my hair or messing up with my braids, or just playing with my braids when I am about to take them off, because I know that time I won't be needing to revert them back to their natural status anymore. Even if you want your braids curled, you can actually curl them at the end when you're about to take them out. Just curl them. extend a period of time that you can use them, then be done with them. So let's actually get working on this. So the first thing you're going to do, you're actually going to measure the length that you do want and make sure your head is upright. Don't measure your braids like this. As you can see, this is actually going to be here if I do bend. But while I am straight, this is what you're having. So measure your braids while your head is upright. Then fold it on the opposite direction at the place where you want and start wrapping it around your braid. So it doesn't have to be so tight, it just has to be steady. So this is what you're having. So once you do reach at the top or where your braid seems to be ending, tie a knot. And after you tie a knot, this is how it will look like. Then take this and start wrapping it all the way back downwards. Wrap it all the way back downwards. And try and ensure it goes right between the this place over here. So try and make sure it goes in between there, because that's what is going to make it stick or firm. Then after that, gently push your tight area down, just like moving it down. And before actually going to the next, just make sure that it actually is the right, what do you call, length with the others. So these are the flyaways that I have been talking about. So with this, I'm just going to actually, let me first have a view of the length. Okay, this is a bit longer, so I'm going to correct it. It's actually a bit long. So just to untie this, how you do it. There you go. So I'm actually going to correct this. I'm just going to take the measurement one more time. Then just fold it or wrap it all around itself. Time to make a knot. Then curl it all the way backwards where from your braid just began. Then squeeze it down a little. So yep, this is the right size. So because I have already done the rest, I'm just going to try what are they called? Flyaways, because I don't want to add it on the ones that I really want to. So you need to be very careful, because this stuff actually does burn. I got burnt last night. Yep, and this is how it looks like. So I'm going to take another. So this is my last one. So I'm going to tell you again how I do it. I just like measure it until the length that I do want my bob to be. Then I take that and fold it up and start wrapping the hair around itself to make a knot. Okay, I don't like the bottom, so I'm just going to do it again. Measure. So this will actually take you a little bit while, but after you master the process, it's just going to be easier. I haven't counted the braids on my head, but I think they are around 70. I don't know, but this actually took me around 2 hours. So just go and hide it beneath the spaces in between, then pull it down to just lock the hair that you have hidden in the spaces. And if actually it's like a little bit difficult, use a crochet needle to just like make everything disappear and hide beneath. So this is what you're having. I'm just going to check with my mirror. This is the length that I actually do want the braids to be. I think this a little bit longer. This one. But I'm going to be leaving them like that. I don't need it so perfect. I think I should. Yeah, let's remove this one. Then we go in with our lighter and just band. So how to take them out? This is how you actually go at the end of the knot and put your finger and just unwind it in the opposite direction that you did tie it now. So that's going to make it looser and it will eventually open up. So let's measure this a little bit shorter. Make a knot and start going back downwards. So I have my, actually there were 5 braids. There were 6. Yeah, my 5 braids. There were 5. I don't know. I have my 4 braids which I haven't burned. So I'm going to take a scissors and try just to reduce the flyaways because I don't want them like making big bands after I have burned. So just trim it out nicely. You can skip this process, but I want them to not look burnt. You know when braids get burnt, how they actually look like? They turn black and form a plastic bump. A black plastic bump. So let's just go in and trim a little bit. So another thing that I would actually do, try and play or find out with, is dipping this into hot water. You know, after I am done rocking this, what are they called? Knots. This knots style. After they go, recommend you to just dip them in hot water and see how that starts out because I believe it's going to make very like good curls. It will form good curls. So I have actually. But this has been burnt, this has not yet been burnt. So be careful not to burn yourself because this is really burnt. That's actually burnt. And also remember, this synthetic hair is plastic, so it can actually like light up a big huge fire. So don't put your lighter like directly on the hair, just rub it near it because if you are burning your head in the name of So be keen on your measurements, like very keen. If you want them exactly the same way, at the same level, you have to be very keen on your measurements because that's what is going to define how your length can look like. So I'm just glad that I actually happened to come across this and actually want to try it out because it's actually making my love this braids even more. And I'm actually trying to be doing longer braids more often because I think it's just making fun. The styling is making so much fun. Styling is making so much fun. So and I just like I created a whole new hairstyle from an old hairstyle. Okay, I'm loving these knobs. I should do this more often. Please with me on this. This just like it did turn out great. I don't know. Let me just try and put it up on. I want a simple ponytail. A simple ponytail. But I have up, half down. Because half up, half down is my favorite hairstyle to go to. I had a hair dye in the morning. I don't know where it is. I think it's over here. There you go. Don't mind the flower. This is how it looks like at the front. Okay. I'm just so in love. So in love with this. So I'm actually going to moisturize my hair and leave the house before because I have somewhere to be. So see you guys on my next one. I hope you actually did love and enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you get your baby into 1,000 subscribers. So until next time, see you people. Bye.